gonna do a fall look. It's like a pumpkin look for my PR brand. She wants us to create a pumpkin look in our eyes. So she said to do a creative spin on it, and I think I'm gonna do a cute face like this. So okay, I'm gonna try it. Oh, and this red, I think it's eczema, because yesterday the air was on the whole day and it wasn't even that cold. So I think that's why I woke up with this skin reaction, and I probably do a video of what I used to get rid of it. But yeah, I'm behind in looks, so that's why I decided to just do it. So yeah, I'm gonna try. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna use the product she sent me. It's the MAC waterproof eyeliner. So I'm gonna try and draw the freaking pumpkin. It's hard because it's not the right size to draw it, but we'll see. The one I use is a NYX Epic Ink Liner that works really well. So let me try and draw the freaking circle. Ooh, I'm nervous. Okay, it works really great. Okay, it's not that even, but oh well. So that's that, and I'm gonna add a tree branch, not a tree, the root, I don't know what's it called, the stump, the dump. Okay. Okay, this is going on really smooth. I thought it was gonna be dry and hard to use because I've tried other brands and they tug your skin. It's like bad, but this one's really good. It's funny as it's MAC. You see, they're really good. The only thing is that it's not cruelty free, and it makes me kind of that's why I don't use it that much, and it's pretty expensive, but the products are really nice. But, okay, yeah. Enough with the talking. Okay, so I drew the pumpkin. I'm gonna try to draw with the liquid liner, a skinnier one. I think this one is the skinniest one. I don't think it's gonna fit, so I'm gonna try. I'm gonna do that. Oh yeah, I can't think on the ladder. I can't see because I see the little white balls again. Ouch. Okay, so oh my god, I'm gonna draw the eyebrow. Actually, no, I'm gonna draw the eye first. Okay, it's not. This one came out good. It's not this one. This one's crooked. Oh well. I'm gonna draw a tiny note. Okay, it's not gonna fit, so I'm just gonna add the smiley face first. I guess it doesn't look exactly like the picture because it doesn't fit, and it's that's why it'd be easier if I had a bigger eyelid space and not hooded eyes, but it's okay. We're gonna work this out. So I'm gonna do the nose smaller than I drew it in the picture example. There you go. I messed up because the oh gee. I'm scared. Okay. I wanted to color it in orange, but I guess it's gonna be black. No, okay. I mean, let me add a design. No, for now I'm scared to mess it up more, so I'm gonna use her neon pigment. This is the orange one. This is her brand. I've never tried her pigments before, so I mean it's gonna be like other ones I've tried. So I'm gonna use a smaller brush. I can't find, okay, I guess this one. I'm just gonna color it on in with the pigment. It'll be easier with eyeshadow, but I want it bright, so. So it's messy and hard to blend and pack, but if it doesn't turn out good, I'm just gonna add eyeshadow on top. I don't know if I'm gonna add the tree branch green or brown. How do y'all color your tree? Not the tree branch, the I don't know what's it called. I forgot. This part from the pumpkin. It's brown or green in real life. I forget. I guess it's just brown. I don't know nothing about pumpkins. I've never carved a pumpkin before. Do y'all carve pumpkins in fall? Is that a tradition? I don't do nothing for fall or anything. So, oops. I mean, I guess I'll just make the line darker. I messed up a little. This is a hard part. Let me get a skinnier brush. Get an angled brush. Ay, puse mucho. Okay. So do you watch the VMAs or the Met Gala? I just watched the VMAs. That's why I was surprised I didn't see Megan there. I was like, why is she not there? She's popping right now, like Doja. And then the next day I saw the Met Gala looks on YouTube, and I was like, what? Isn't the same day or the same time? I didn't even know. So I didn't even watch the Met Gala. Is it on TV? I don't think I've never watched it. I think it's just on social media. I've seen pictures. Because the VMA obviously is on MTV. That's what I know. And the award shows is the... I forgot the channel, but yeah. I'm just curious. They like that. Ouch. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. I'm gonna I'm just gonna color the eyes white. I'm gonna use my Norvina palette. I'm gonna use the white one for the eyes. Everything falls. Okay. It's not gonna be perfect, but oh well. It's alright, I guess. It's not too bad. Okay, so Mr. Okay, so I guess, oh, the eyebrows, I forgot. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Line Stiletto. This is really old. I was cleaning my makeup drawers. 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 I can say, I don't know. Drawers. I don't know why I can say it right now, but I can say oh my god. So I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna put a little eyeball inside. It looks creepy. It looks so like that. Ugh. It's because the way that I put. Let me try and fix it. No, I'm scared to mess it up. So I'm gonna do the eyebrows. I messed it up. I mean, I guess. So, just gonna. I'm using brown. I'm gonna use the Signed by Kimmy palette. I'm gonna use her brown shade. Oh, for the branch. I'm gonna use these natural lashes from Ioni. These are Neapolitan. Yep, the ice cream. Since my skin is reacting, I don't think I'm gonna do my face. I'm just gonna leave it like that. And I don't think I'm gonna do this side. But yeah, this is the pumpkin. Do you like it? It's cute. It's alright. I'm gonna name it Bob, I guess. So yeah. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all, if not later, tomorrow or some other day. Okay, 2 days ago there was a hurricane category 1 here. And I could just hear the rain and the wind, like that really strong, like moving stuff from outside. And I was just like sitting in bed, like I could not sleep. And like, it's not only that, because I sleep late, because I get insomnia, but yeah, it's another topic. So yeah. And I was the only one awake. I was just like, I guess. So I was just distracting myself and whatever, and then I ended up falling asleep late. And yeah, I saw the app because I follow the news on Instagram, and it was like, you know, the gas station, I think it was Citgo, it was like this, the air was moving in like this, and then it ended up falling over, like how it's like a big gas station, not the building, but where you put gas. I don't know what it's called. But thank God there was not a freaking car under there, because imagine, like, they will kill the person instantly. Oh, I know. And then the other in other parts of Texas, other cities. I can't remember. I think it was Freeport. I don't know. It said in the video. It was really flooded. It looked like you could literally dive in there and swim. Like you will see little fishes in there. I'm just saying not fishes, but it was really high. But thank God it wasn't like that here where I live. It was just raining a lot, and the lights turned off too. The whole power went out for like a little bit, for like a minute, and then the lights turned back on. That was like at 1 a.m. In the middle of the night. It was when it was really windy, and I don't know why I'm out of breath. Windy and like boring. Yeah, I was gonna film that day, but I couldn't because of that. And then yesterday, which was the next day of that hurricane rain and all that, nobody went to work, so everyone was at home. So I was like, yeah, I don't have privacy, so I'm not gonna record. So yeah, that's why I'm barely filming today. And also because of this, my skin, I just needed a break. What else? So yeah, that's all that's been happening. In case y'all are interested, in case y'all want to be chismosas and shit. I'm kidding, but no. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, yeah, for real now, I'm gonna leave. Bye. I'm hungry.